Express 10 gram as a ratio of 0.15 kg. So same thing, units are different. We cannot work with them. We have to make sure units are the same. So for this, 1 kg is 1000 gram. So from kg to gram, you times 1000. And the reverse is divided by 1000. So kg to gram, you times 1000. So 0.5 times 1000. Move the decimal point to the right by how many times? 3 times, because there are 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Decimal point is here. Put a 0, fill in the 0. So it's just 150 gram. So to express it as a ratio, so 10 gram to 150 gram, right? Units are the same, can cancel out. You have 0, can cancel out. So it's just equals to 1:15. So answer is 1:15. For this question, you must understand that for ratio, you end up with no units at all because you get to cancel out the units. If you realize that if you have done it while the units are different, you cannot cancel out the units, and that's not a ratio because ratio has no units, which means that what you work with in the first place must already have the same units so that you get to cancel them out.